Today I'm going to teach you how to disable private chat in Zoom. This is particularly useful if you're hosting professional meetings or webinars where you want to maintain focus and prevent participants from sending distracting private messages to each other during the session. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to zoom.us. Once the page loads, you'll be prompted to log in using your credentials. Make sure you're signing in with the account that has the necessary administrative permissions to modify these settings, as standard participant accounts won't have access to these controls. After successfully logging in, direct your attention to the left panel of your Zoom account dashboard. Here you'll find various navigation options. Click on My Account to access your account management area. From the options that appear, select Settings. This is where all the configuration controls for your Zoom meetings live, including security features, participant permissions, and communication options. Once you're in the Settings section, click on the Meeting tab. This tab contains all the settings related to how your meetings function and what features are available to participants. You'll notice there are quite a few options here, so take your time scrolling through. Now, scroll down through the meeting settings until you find the option labeled Private Chat. This feature controls whether participants can send direct messages to each other during your meetings. When enabled, any participant can privately message another participant without the host seeing those conversations. For many professional or educational settings, disabling this helps maintain meeting decorum and ensures all communication remains visible. Once you've located the private chat option, you'll see a toggle switch next to it. Click this toggle to turn it off. The switch will typically change color or position to indicate that the feature is being disabled. After toggling it off, a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen asking you to verify this change. This is Zoom's way of making sure you intentionally want to disable this feature. Click Turn Off in the confirmation box to finalize your decision. Once you confirm, the changes will be saved automatically and will apply to all future meetings hosted under your account. And that's it. You've successfully disabled private chat in Zoom, ensuring that all communication during your meetings stays within the main chat where you can monitor it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.